Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. And sorry, I'm going to apologize to you first right off because I'm going to say slacking, but I've been busy with kids and my grandbabies and all. They've been here this weekend since Friday, and the boys are playing football, so I've been busy to take them to the games and stuff like that. But anyway, this is my reveal for the my craft kit collaboration. After the collaboration was over, we had partners where we had to send our kits that we created to our partner, to a partner. So I sent mine to see, and and I got hers last week, Friday, I believe. Yeah, Friday, because I also got my diamond painting, which is going to be a video on my other channel. I don't know, I might show it on this channel too, but anyway, so I'm just not getting around to it, and it's Sunday, guys, so I'm going to get this open. And she sent some stuff for my grandkids, but I'm not going to show you all that. I'm trying to cover our addresses. And oh, y'all can't even see it. So I won't be opening their stuff on video, at least not for the public to see, because of these couple laws that that in the beginning probably still is freaking people out here on YouTube. So I won't be doing a reveal video on their part, on what she sent them. And I told her not to do that again, guys, because like I said, no, you can't be sending them stuff on in my swaps, because they getting in on my fun. So the swapping thing, the craft work, it's mine, okay? I use the craft work to keep my sanity when they're around, even when they're not around, but mostly when they are around. So I don't need them including them, and she needs to stop trying to include them in my craft work, man. So see, last time, honey, much love you, but no, you want to send them something, it can't be in my swap. No. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up, and this is for the 1-year-old. Now I'm not gonna open this up, so I'm just gonna take all their stuff out, and I'm going to take it in the house and let them open, get their stuff. I'm gonna put this back in the box. But they're excited. They don't know what's in it because I just opened the box. I just told them to have some stuff in here, and they don't know what. So yeah, that's stuff for them. We're gonna take that back in the house and let them open that. But so here's my stuff. Okay, so again, we had to. What is this here? See, I don't remember this. Okay, but yeah. So we did a collaboration where we did it for 5 weeks, and we had to. Y'all know the last videos where I did my collaboration craft kit. Well, 1 week we did cards, and then we did flowers, and then we did banners, and then we did shakers, and yeah. Okay, so here's the kit, the swap from that. So. I don't know what's what. She sent so much that okay, here we go. I forgot what was what. So she sent extras. She's a very giving person. I told her. I mean, it's all good, to be that way, but she needs to not go overboard, because some people don't appreciate that stuff. Okay, so this is the banner kit. I remember this because she did it in a Christmas theme. So I'm going to be putting these together on Christmas, and I'm going to be decorating my little shed out here. But these are the banners, the banner kit. This is the banner, the sample banner that she made. We had to make a sample, and then she had to send the pieces to make the kit. And these are all the parts to it. This is going to be so much fun. Put this together. So I think I'm going to make this as since it's a Christmas thing, I'm going to make this another series of me put my Christmas kits together. It's going to be fun to see. Okay, so that's that, and then this one is the shaker tag kit. Okay. And I'm just going to take the actual tag out. These are all the parts to it. And this is the actual tag. Isn't that cute? Had to make a shaker tag. That is so adorable. There's a kit for that. I don't know. I might use these tags for Christmas. I don't know. I tend not to hoard stuff. Okay, and this is the flower. See, I'm glad she knew because I was wondering how much she made the flowers. But this is the flower, and then she includes all the parts to make the flower. So cute, so pretty. I always wonder how she made these. Well, actually, she, how I made these parts, got to put it together. So, I still need to know how she made the actual petals. See, I need a tutorial, honey bunches. I need to know how you made these. Well, wait a minute. I think you did do. I'll go back and look. I think you did make a video on that because that's how I wanted to make something. Okay, and then this one is, I forgot what it was. Let's see. This kit was for, bag toppers. That's what it was. Bag toppers. Isn't that pretty? I love that gold. Oh, let me get it going. That's that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. These are all the goodies for how to make some more of them. And so, the thing with these, I'm gonna be a Christmas swap, but I'm probably using these bag toppers for that. This is such a fun idea, and I want to do it again. I don't know, next time might be theme, might not be. And this is the card kit. This one's for the card kit. I just take the card out, and that's all the pieces for the card. Look at that! Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Love it. So that is that for the craft kit swap that we had did and see with my partner. See, now I don't know who this is for, so I'm just gonna take a sneak peek. And then if it's for the kids, then I'll just take that in the house too. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because she put something in here for my autistic son. She came down for my wedding, and they tickled themselves so much out of my son because he is so animated. But he was just being himself. That's just Tillis being Tillis. Wanted me to get something for him. Wanted me to get up, and I wasn't in the mood. I had company, and he wants to. Yeah, they just got a hoot out of him. Oh, good Lord. Man, this one is like one of those gifts where you had to open a box and a box and a box and a box. Okay, this is for the 4-year-old. Oh, okay, wait a minute. This is more gifts for them? Man, it is. See, man, that's for them. See, I'm thinking it's for me. And she's... Look, that's all I got. When I showed y'all, that's all I got. And all the rest of it for them. See, no, I don't like this. Okay, yes, this is for Tillis. There ain't no sense in opening this because this is all for him. All for them. Folks, it's not mine. I guess that's it. Thanks, C. Like I said, don't get used to that. Oh, guys, she cracked me up because she asked me, she said, the box is going to be huge. So when I get the box, and I was expecting it to be bigger than what it was. So then she sent me, I told her I got the box, I got the package. And then she going to ask me, are you shocked about the box? I said, no, I thought it'd be bigger. Then she said it would have been had I known they clothes and shoe size. You will never get that information, honey bunches. No, I'm not telling you. I'm not giving you that information. You're not getting it. Sorry. Yeah, that's not happening. But anyway, thanks, honey bunches, for what you did send me, which is no fun because I knew what I was getting because I saw the collaboration. But they getting stuff they don't know. See, nah, again, I don't like that. So don't make that a habit, girlfriend. Love you, but no. I don't want the little crumb snatches in on my phone. This craft thing, this is my world. I don't want them in it. Okay, I ain't gotta share everything. I already said sharing is highly overrated. I refuse to share my craft world with my grandkids when I craft, so I won't kill them. So no, they cannot be included in this. Okay, capiche? All right. Well, thanks anyway for what you did send me. So now I gotta go in there and watch the oohs and ahs and everything from the grandbabies because they are anxious. They've been wanting to open this box all weekend. So yeah. Thanks, C. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will show it y'all later. Bye.